Hello, everybody. Another question that I saw in the Facebook group was how do I add the second phone number that shows when you try to edit a member on the backend? So here on the backend, if you're on the My Members, search members, and here's this guy, and you go to Actions, Quick Edit, and on the Quick Edit, on the first section or the first area there, if you scroll down on the contact information, you're going to see phone number and second phone number. So if you go to your contact details form, you're going to see that it only asks for the phone number. There's no second phone number or something like that. So there's a couple of ways of finding out what the name of this variable is, so you can put it on the form manager. You can go to the database, or you can just right click here, inspect, and that's going to show you this here. What this thing here that says name phone number two, literally phone number two. I'll just copy that there, and then I just close this, and we're gonna go to form manager. Okay, on the form manager, we're gonna specifically go to the contact details form, specifically this one, the contact details member. We're gonna customize that one. As you can see, we're doing it from scratch. And we're gonna look for the phone number. Here it is, the phone number. We wanna add the new phone number. So we're gonna clone this one. Okay, we're gonna like clone that baby there. And here it is, and we're gonna put phone number two. And we don't want it to say phone number. Maybe it could be fax number. Maybe it could be, for example, also office number, okay? Or company number, or something like that. So we're just gonna save this. Once it saves, I'm gonna just double check if the form actually shows them in the proper order, because sometimes you save them, they show in the, they move. So this is okay. So it's showing properly. So now I'm gonna log in as myself, and we're gonna go to the contact details. In my case, it's called basic information. Okay, we go there, and voila, you see it there. And then let's put a different one. Okay, we're gonna put I don't know, here's 67, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Okay, we save it, and let's double check that's actually showing on the front, because one thing is putting on the form, another one is actually showing on the front, another one is actually showing here. So there's like three places where you gotta actually do the QA. Okay, so we come here and we're gonna double check. Okay, I don't see the office phone number. Okay, it might be because these options are disabled. So when you I'll rename that one to something else. Put it like that. Um, when you clone one, normally it disables everything except for the input. This one, the input, just in case, is the one that makes it so it shows here. But the display one, display view, is the one that makes it so it shows here. So I'm gonna refresh, and now we should be able to see the office phone number. You can see it there. Okay, or at least the system that actually creates this is showing it there. So there you go. You got your phone office number and blah blah blah. If you wanted to customize it like this, you would that's an additional thing that you would need to do, especially with JavaScript and the thing actually showing there and whatnot. But other than that, that's all that you need to do. You go to your form manager, add the field there, enable this so it shows on the front if you want that specific field to show on the front. And voila, they got it there, and now you have two phone numbers. Okay, same applies for any custom fields. Additional custom fields, you do the same thing. You add them in the form, and you enable them here, and they're just going to show here and here if they actually have some information to show. That's it. So think positive, and big hugs to everybody. Okay, bye.